Primus Aged Garlic Extract is marketed as a premium aged garlic supplement that supposedly supports heart health, lowers blood pressure, and delivers major cardiovascular benefits. But the real question is it a real supplement with legitimate benefits or just another heavily marketed wellness product? Now, to be fair, aged garlic extract is not a made-up ingredient. Unlike many trendy supplements, aged garlic has actually been studied for potential cardiovascular benefits, particularly in blood pressure and circulation support. What it does well, aged garlic extract has some legitimate research behind it. Several clinical studies have examined aged garlic extract for blood pressure and cardiovascular support, making it more evidence-based than many random supplement blends. May help support healthy blood pressure. Research referenced by the company suggests some users with hypertension may experience modest reductions in blood pressure over time. Where the hype falls apart, it is not a miracle heart health solution. This is the biggest issue. Even if aged garlic has research behind it, it does not replace medication, medical treatment, or healthy lifestyle habits. Marketing often makes the results sound more dramatic than reality. Many advertisements imply life-changing blood pressure improvements, when actual results are usually more modest and gradual. Independent verification appears limited. Some investigations noted difficulty finding publicly available third-party lab certificates or manufacturing verification for the specific Primus product. So, is Primus Aged Garlic Extract real or fake? Short answer, it appears to be a real aged garlic supplement, but some of the marketing claims may be stronger than the evidence supporting the specific product. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.